Welcome to this lesson on mutations. Mutations are changes in DNA sequence, and they represent one of the most fundamental concepts in genetics. Understanding mutations is essential for comprehending how genetic variation arises and how it impacts living organisms. Throughout this video, we will explore what mutations are, how they occur, and what effects they have on biological systems. A mutation is defined as a permanent alteration in the DNA sequence that makes up a gene. The key word here is permanent, meaning once a mutation occurs, it becomes a stable change in the genetic material. These mutations can range in size from affecting just a single nucleotide, which is the basic building block of DNA, to involving much larger segments of DNA that span multiple genes or even entire chromosomes. Mutations arise from two main sources. First, we have spontaneous mutations, which occur naturally during DNA replication or other normal cellular processes. These happen because the cellular machinery that copies DNA is not perfect and occasionally makes errors. Second, we have induced mutations, which are caused by external factors called mutagens. These mutagens include things like ultraviolet radiation from the sun, ionizing radiation such as X-rays, and various chemical substances that can damage DNA. When we classify mutations by their scale, we encounter three main categories. Point mutations involve changes to a single nucleotide in the DNA sequence. These are the smallest type of mutation. Insertions occur when one or more nucleotides are added into the DNA sequence. Deletions happen when one or more nucleotides are removed from the DNA sequence. Both insertions and deletions can vary greatly in size, from a single nucleotide to thousands of base pairs. Let's look at a concrete example of a point mutation called a substitution. In the original DNA sequence, we have the bases a TGCCA. After the mutation occurs, the sequence becomes a TGTCA. Notice that the cytosine in the fourth position has been replaced by thymine. This single nucleotide change is a classic example of a substitution mutation, where one base is swapped for another. Point mutations can have three different effects on the proteins they encode. Silent mutations do not change the amino acid sequence of the protein at all, because multiple codons can code for the same amino acid due to the redundancy of the genetic code. Missense mutations result in a different amino acid being incorporated into the protein, which may or may not affect protein function depending on the location and nature of the change. Nonsense mutations are the most severe, as they create a premature stop codon, leading to a truncated and usually non-functional protein. Frameshift mutations are particularly disruptive because they alter the reading frame of the genetic code. DNA is read in groups of 3 nucleotides called codons. In our example, the original sequence a TGCC-AGTA is read as 3 separate codons. When a single G nucleotide is inserted, the sequence becomes a TGGCC-AGT. This shifts the entire reading frame downstream of the insertion, causing all subsequent codons to be read incorrectly. This typically results in a completely non-functional protein. Not all mutations are bad. Beneficial mutations provide survival advantages to organisms and are the driving force behind evolution and adaptation. These favorable changes can be passed on to future generations and may become more common in a population over time. On the other hand, harmful mutations can cause genetic disorders or diseases by disrupting normal protein function. Many inherited conditions and some cancers result from harmful mutations. It is important to note that most mutations are actually neutral, having little to no effect on organism fitness. The location where a mutation occurs determines whether it can be inherited. Germline mutations occur in reproductive cells, specifically sperm and egg cells. Because these mutations are present in reproductive cells, they can be passed from parents to their offspring and will be present in every cell of the offspring's body. In contrast, somatic mutations occur in body cells that are not involved in reproduction. These mutations affect only the individual in which they occur and cannot be transmitted to the next generation. Many cancers arise from somatic mutations. To summarize, mutations are the raw material for genetic diversity and evolution. Without mutations, there would be no variation for natural selection to act upon, and life would not be able to adapt to changing environments. Understanding mutations is essential not only for the study of genetics and evolutionary biology, but also for medicine, as many diseases have genetic origins. As we continue to learn more about mutations, we gain better tools for diagnosing, treating, and potentially preventing genetic disorders. Thank you for watching this introduction to mutations and changes in DNA sequence.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.